Well, before resting its case today, prosecutors presented key evidence in Chad Daybell's triple murder trial. But the judge shocked those in the courtroom right after that when he pointed out an issue with the charging document in the case. Abby Davis is here to break it all down. Abby?
Brian, the judge discovered prosecutors put the wrong date in their amended indictment under the count accusing Chad of murdering his wife's son, J.J. Vallow. Chad is also on trial for killing J.J.'s sister, Tylee Ryan, as well as Chad's first wife, Tammy.
Where she indicates, "We are both so tired of taking care of demons."
Jurors heard bizarre texts between Chad Daybell and his wife, Lori Vallow Daybell.
"Please ask the Lord to take them!" exclamation point.
While FBI agent Doug Hart testified in Chad's murder trial Thursday, he went over some of the most critical evidence he discovered.
Lori Vallow is asking Chad Daybell if there is a, quote, perfectly orchestrated plan to take the children.
What is Chad's response?
Chad's response is that there is a plan being orchestrated for the children.
Where were Tylee and JJ's remains ultimately located?
On Chad Daybell's property.
Hart backed up prosecutors' theory that Chad is the mastermind of the murders.
Lori Vallow is making inquiries to Chad Daybell, and Chad Daybell tells her, "I will explain it."
He said Chad came up with death percentages for JJ, Tylee, and Tammy. The couple called them zombies or dark spirits.
And he indicates that Tammy is very close. Her death percentage has fallen steadily, and concludes with, "It is encouraging!" exclamation point. Tammy is at 3, JJ is at 2.
After prosecutors rested their case,
I have no further questions.
Judge Stephen Boyce brought up an issue with their amended indictment from February.
I have some concern that the charging language, which would control in this case, in the amended indictment, cites a date range that does not comport with the evidence.
The dates for JJ's death in the document are wrong. JJ's grandpa called the issue disheartening.
But I will be strong. I will be confident that this issue will be worked out. I hope that the murder of JJ will be kept in evidence.
The state argued it was a clerical mistake, something the defense pushed back on.
We're all kind of falling on our sword here. This was clearly an oversight.
They've lost their chance. They don't get to go back. Judge, I'm asking the court to dismiss the charge.
Judge Boyce didn't. He denied the defense's request for an acquittal on JJ's murder charge and every other count.
It was a matter the court raised itself. It was not specifically argued by the defense. And so the court again finds it's not prejudicial at this stage of the proceedings to allow for that change to occur.
Judge Boyce said he needs time to think about how he's going to fix this error, whether he'll have to give the jury new instructions or formally correct the indictment. He'll issue a follow-up order about that, Brian.
Yeah, this case has been going on for 6 weeks now. I can only imagine those involved not wanting it to prolong it any more than it already has. All right, thanks, Abby. No court tomorrow, as you said. Defense is going to start their case on Monday.